Good morning, awesome kindergartners. Welcome to our very first week of distance learning. Now, this is going to be really weird and really different because we're not in our classroom and we're not all together. But what I want to do is try to make kindergarten come to your house, and hopefully we can still have a little bit of fun with it. So what I wanted to show you is this board, and this is called our daily job chart. Now, I'm going to send you this daily job chart every day on Seesaw Activities. Remember, Seesaw Activities is the one with the light bulb, and you can get to it all by yourself. So what you're going to do is you are going to open up this document on your Seesaw Activities, and you're going to look through it every single day. And there's going to be jobs for you to do. Now, what you're going to see here is the very first box is going to have a video from Miss Klein, which is what you're watching right now. So it's going to be a little morning message from me to get you started for the day. Then you're going to move on over to this yellow column, which is Sunday, and you're going to watch a Sunday mini lesson. Now, usually Sunday in our classroom is like 20 minutes, but we can't do that at home, and it's going to be a little bit tricky. So what I did and Mrs. Volk did is we recorded videos with just a little part of Sunday for you to watch. So some days you're going to watch videos with Miss Klein, some days you're going to watch videos with Mrs. Volk. But either way, you're going to learn a little bit of Sunday. So you're going to click on this link, and it's going to take you to the video where you're going to see either Miss Klein or Mrs. Volk, and we're going to teach you all about Sunday. So watch the lesson, and then you're going to go back to your job chart and see here it says complete Sunday lesson 121 worksheet. So you're going to go to your week 1 baggie of materials, and you're going to find 121. And that one for today looks like this. It says color the hearts red and color the stars purple. That's pretty easy, right? Then if we move on to math, it says complete math workbook page 4-11. Let me show you. That one looks like this. Oops, this side, 4-11. And this is all review math, so we should be pretty good at it all by ourselves. So first you're going to start with tiny tumblers. Remember, the number at the top is how many tiny tumblers there were, and the numbers at the bottom are how many rolled to each side of the mountain. So your job on this page is to draw the tiny tumblers on the math mountains. Then if you flip it over, you're going to work on partners of 10. Now this says you get to draw the break apart stick wherever you want and write the partners of 10 in the boxes. But I want to challenge you to make sure that you don't have any two partners that are the same on the whole page. Remember, they can flip-flop, but I want you to not have 6 plus 4 more than one time. Okay? That's your math for the day. Then we're going to go on to reading and writing. Now, sometimes you're going to see a job in the top box and in the bottom box. Today, you just have one. And it says work for 20 minutes on your week 1 PLP. So that looks like this in your bag of materials. And it's pretty similar to what we do in class. So you're going to see read to self. You're going to see Raz Kids. Read to someone is kind of fun. You can read to a stuffed animal or maybe even your pet. Or you can read to a family member. Then word work is a little bit different. I have Rainbow write your sight words, but I want you to really focus on the new sight words this week. So in lesson 21, our new sight words are make, them, play, give, say, and new. So I want you to practice Rainbow writing those 6 sight words. If you want to do more and do your sight word list too, that's okay with me. Then you can come on down here and pick 2 IXL missions, but remember that they should be language arts, not math. We're used to going to math. Make sure you click on the one that says language arts. Perfect. Then for writing, you can skip these writing jobs for today. If you wanted to do free write in your journal, that's okay. Remember, a PLP should take you all week long, and you only have to work on it for 20 minutes today. So shoot for trying to get maybe 1 or 2 things done. And then you can make sure to color your stuff red today because today is Monday. Now, if we go back to our daily job chart, the last box on here says specials. Just like we go to gym and music and media and art, today you're going to pretend like you're going to music class. So Mrs. Anderson made this music board for you. It's gold, and it should be in your week 1 materials baggie as well. All I want you to do is choose something from the music board to work on today. Now, if you finish all of these things and you say, Miss Klein, I still want to learn more, well, I've got some bonus things for you at the bottom. It says you can work in your April packet. That's also in your bag of materials. And it's just a bunch of fun spring activities for you. Or you can click on this bonus choice board link, and it will take you to a choice board that looks like this. On here, I've got different links to websites that you can check out if your mom and dad say it's okay. And I've got other things on here like build a Lego structure, help cook dinner, go on a nature walk, paint a picture, different things like that. Now remember, those are bonus things. You do not have to do them if you don't want to. They're just some extra fun activities if you're looking for more. So that's what this daily job chart is going to look like. And I'm going to send, it'll look the same every day when I send it, but it'll have different activities on it. So I just want you to go ahead and work through these activities as best you can. And if you have any questions, you can sure message me on Seesaw and I will do my best to help you. All I want you to do, kindergartners, is to try your best. And if you want to send me pictures of your work on Seesaw, you sure can. Other than that, I just want you to have a super awesome day, and I look forward to seeing you guys hopefully a little bit more on Seesaw. Thanks, have fun!